2012 Dodge Caravan, 3.6 liter engine. I'm going to replace the intake manifold gasket. So to open this upper intake manifold, you see this, take the cover off if you have a cover. Then right there's a hose clamp, and the pins are clamp, and release that. And take this like this and sensor off. You see the red tab, just pull the tab and then squeeze this like this and pull it. This will come out. After that, there's one sensor, just push the tab and pull it, and then take the breathing hose off like this. And there's one hose here, attached right here, brake booster hose. Take this off, just pull it, it will come out like this. Unlock this, all of them. One here, one on the other side. So one push tab right here. And I have the tools, so you can pull it like this. After you take this off from the middle, you can take this off. The wiggle a little bit like this, so it will whole thing, like whole thing will come out. You need to open this screw. It's 8mm. One here, one in the middle right there, one right there, and, another one is here. See this right there, one here, one is right there under this right there, one is in the corner. After you open this, the screw, then there's a 10mm right there, one here, 10mm bolt, and one right there. Open this, then take this off, separate it, and you can bring whole thing. You can take this off. So this is out, clean. So to open a lower intake, there's a screw right here. See this corner here, screw right here, and screw in here, one here, same on other side right there, one here. So 8mm, one here, one there. Take all the screw out, or you can take the fuel reel out too. Only 4 bolt. Take this out, the fuel reel will separate, and take the fuel line, injector line right here, make it easier. See, I lost all this bolt, and I can lift it up, but to make it a little easier, you take this connection and all this injector connection, just simply push this tab up and push it and pull it. So just clean this area, clean this group, then put the gasket in. Make sure it's clean good. So after I put the gasket, upper and lower, so when you clean this, make sure you cover the hole, don't drop anything inside, and clean inside in here like as much you can without dropping debris inside. So be careful, don't drop anything like a bolt or anything, don't put inside. Look, I clean, I try my best to clean. See this inside also This is clean. I blew the air so everything came out, and I clean as much as I can. It's very clean. You can clean with the brake clean. This is the upper side, it's the lower side. So simply I'm gonna put this in here and tight all this ball. When you tight the balls, is go in to out, like in 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this, like that. So don't over tight, let the gasket work. There's a gasket, don't over tight. When you put too much tight, the gasket will get smashed, then it's not going to work. On your owner menu, see the specification for the torque for the ball. Then after I put this, then I'm gonna put this platinum inside on the top. Make sure put all this connection first. Connection for the injector and the spark plug. Then put this intake platinum on the top. Okay, now time to put the platinum upper intake manifold. Make sure it's clean. This there's a 6 ball and 2 on the side. There's a nut. There's a nut for this. It's on the side. It's supposed to be this side. And like, don't tie like crazy. There's a gasket. Let the gasket work. Check your owner menu. See the specification for the bolt. After that, put all this connection back. Look, I put the intake manifold upper and lower both, and put all this connection, the hoses, connection for the plug, for the injector, and that's all, guys. Thank you for watching.